welcome to IndianExpress.com, and today we're taking a look at Facebook's latest feature for Indian users, which is the 3D avatars. Now keep in mind that this feature is actually rolled out in some other countries, but it's coming to India now. 3D avatars will now be available on Facebook, the main Facebook app, Messenger, and of course Instagram as well. It's also rolling out for Quest for those of you who happen to have a device in India. But before we take a look at how you can create these 3D avatars, let's quickly recap on what these are. So a 3D avatar, think of it as a digital version of yourself. And of course it makes sense that Facebook wants us to have avatars. After all, it eventually wants us all to live in the metaverse. Now, we might not be closer to living in the metaverse, but hey, we all like virtual versions of ourselves. Think of the 3D avatar as sort of like a cartoon version of yourself. Might not be entirely 100% accurate, but hey, this is supposed to be fun. Also keep in mind that in order to create this 3D avatar of yourself, you will need the main Facebook app on your phone. And once you create these 3D avatars, you'll be able to use them across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, all from one place. And you can edit these avatars in the Facebook app itself. Now let's take a look at how you can create one and what all options is Facebook offering. So let's see how we can create avatars on the Facebook mobile app. So remember, this feature actually works only on the mobile app. You will need the Facebook mobile app on your phone. It'll work on both Android and iOS, but we are using an iOS device out here. So we go to the Facebook app out here, you go to menu where your little profile picture is, and you scroll down and you press on see more and you'll see avatars. Tap on avatars and it's loading your avatar. Now I've already created a 3D avatar for myself, but if you haven't, Facebook will prompt you to create a new one. So just tap on edit avatar and you can now change a lot of the features or customizations around this avatar. So as you can see, I can choose a number of outfits out here. Let's see, something a little bit maybe more sprightly than the little gray t-shirt. What about this? Or maybe I'll go for something, something different. So yeah, let me change the outfit. And you can scroll side by side to see a lot of the options for customizations. So Facebook is letting you even choose ear piercings out here. So if you have a lot of piercings and you want to customize and show that off, you can do that. I really like gold hoop earrings, so I'm going to show that. And you can even choose if you have hearing devices, something like that, you can choose to showcase those as well. If you wear headwear, you can show that as well. You can even choose the body shape. Not a lot of body shapes, not very inclusive I would say, but hey, it's still better than nothing. Let me try and change my nose out here. Let's see if I can go for a slightly smaller nose, if I can find one, though I can't seem to find a nose which is that small. But let me see, maybe this will resemble my nose a bit more. You can change, since I wear spectacles most of the time, let me see if I can find spectacles. So I've gone with spectacles. You can even choose to put a bindi. I believe this is the customization for more India specific folks. You can choose your eye shape. So basically a lot of customizations out here. So I've changed my eye shape a bit. You can even add face lines if that's what you prefer to look a bit more different. You can choose your hair color. So these are all the options, and once you finalized it, you just tap on done and it saves the changes. And that's it, your new avatar is now ready. Now this avatar will be in the form of personal stickers across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, so you can use it across various platforms. Now let's see how we can share the avatar. So you can use the avatar in comments as Facebook is showing out here. Just tap on the little sticker, little emoji option when you're posting a comment, and you'll see an option to upload your stickers, your avatars. So let's now try and see if we can respond to someone's post with. So Facebook will prompt you to share these avatars on your Facebook feed, and you just tap on next and it will get uploaded as a post. Now let's take a look at how to create the avatar on Messenger. So we're going to the Messenger app now. So just go to Messenger and go to your settings, scroll down and you should see the avatar option. Again, this will show that same avatar that you created on Facebook. You can just tap on edit avatar and you'll be taken back to the account center to edit your avatar. But if you're fine with it, and you don't feel the need for editing the avatar, you can just go to your chats and say, tap on the little emoji option that you see in the chat, and then you can just send an avatar. So here you can just send an avatar as a message, as a sticker message, depending on who you're messaging, what you want to respond. So you can scroll to the side and you can see Facebook's created a lot of stickers with the avatar itself. If you want to view all the stickers, just tap on this little emoji option and you'll see the 3D avatars, and you'll see a lot of stickers have been created out here. You can simply tap on avatar options and you can even search in these stickers. So say you want to send something sad, it's not showing the stickers, but yeah, so basically that's a lot of options out here. So you can send, so they've created avatars in the form with festivals and stuff as well. So if you want to use these for some special occasions, that's again another option. So that was a close look at Facebook's 3D avatars. Do let us know in the comments if you plan to use them and what the experience has been like if you have actually used them.